Dearest Stacey, we are getting married. I can't believe the day is finally here. You make me so incredibly happy, and you truly have changed every part of my life for the better. You should know that I still have the schoolyard crush on you that I had when we first met. We were destined to be together. Shortly after we met, I knew that you were the one. I've been waiting for my whole life. From day one, there was such an electricity between us. I continue to fall in love with you more every day, and I can't wait to experience how our love grows over the years. We can do this, honey. There is a reason that we have never overanalyzed this decision. Being together has always been the obvious answer. From the moment you walked into my life, you have been the center of my universe. Words can't describe how excited I am to marry you and spend the rest of our lives together. I love you with every inch of my body and soul, and you will always be my dipper. I love you so much, and I'll see you out there. And I was in Miami, and he was in California. We were on the phone looking up at the stars, and we were both looking at the Big Dipper at the same time. So we call each other's dipper. Yeah. It's really sweet.
First, let me recall that heart-melting little girl from decades ago who tonight became a bride. You know, a daughter is a gift from God, soft, warm, cuddly, and loving. Speaking as a dad, your little daughter makes you feel like the most important person in the world. Now, as fathers, the bride must eventually do, today I had to let go of the hand that once reached up to me. Today I've placed my girl's hand in the care of another. Fortunately, tonight that hand belongs to Paul, a man we've all come to love.
You are the love of my life. I promise to cherish you forever, to support you in achieving your goals and dreams, and to always put your needs before my own.
I pray that our journey together involves lots of fun, laughter, and travel. I can't wait to start a family with you and grow old together.
Honestly, Paul, with all kidding aside, I happily turn over my girl as your bride. So it's easy to see all the love in your eyes, your attention to her and all that implies. I see you consistently do the right thing. I see the reactions in her that you bring. I hear her so often singing your praise. I see how she loves you in so many ways. And in all of the time since the two of you met, not one word of sorrow nor any regret. A match made in heaven, if ever were true, the stars have aligned for Stacey and for you.
It is with a great deal of joy and an honor for me to introduce to you this afternoon, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Paul and Stacey Jones, husband and wife. Let's congratulate them.